So we want to look at how we can add a leading zero in front of numbers in Excel, because when you are typing numbers and you start it with zero, Excel will automatically remove it. So how can you add it back? One, you can change it from general to text, which is the first thing we'll be looking at. So as we have 90 and we want it to be 090. On the home tab, come to the number group. Here we have general, just change it to text, go down to text. Then you can now type 090. That is the first one. Another way is using apostrophe. Before we start anything we want to type, start it with apostrophe, then 0901. So you press enter. The next one is custom formatting. So on the home tab also, go to more number format. Then you scroll down to, you come to custom, click on this 0. Now under type, input the number of digits that you want in that cell. If it is 5 digits that you want, let that 0 be 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And when you enter any number, even if it's not up to 5, it will complete the rest with zeros. Let's say 090. It will complete the rest with that 0. But what we want to do here is 09012. 09012. It will be there. Next one is concatenate formula. Press equals to, then if the number has already existed in another cell, you can say concatenate, then D8. We start it with 0 because we want the 0 to lead the number. Concatenate 0, then comma, then and D8. That's just it. It will be there. But if the number has not existed in any cell, then we can say equals to concatenate 0, comma, then the other number, close the bracket. It will be there. Then the last formula that we'll be using is the text function. Just say equals to, then you type text, open your bracket, then where the number has already existed, click on it, and the number of 0 you want it to be, you add a comma. So now enter the number of 0 you want it to be. Then you close the bracket, then you close your bracket. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.